morning! Some of the more observant amongst you might notice that I'm not actually in my bedroom at Lalande. I've woken up in the attic. One of the previous owners of this chateau is president of a Lions Club branch in Brittany, and he's brought his club with him and they've rented the entire chateau, including my bedroom. So Michael, Marie and I have snuck off to the attic. We're having quite a lot of fun up here. It feels like being on a mini holiday in our own home. This is pretty much as far as I've got with the room. The bed is done. I upholstered it, and I also wallpapered the room in a Lewis & Wood toile de Jouy. But none of the woodwork has been painted yet. I love the little wardrobe in here because it's just a corner cupboard, and when you open it you can see some of the old wallpapers that were in this room. There's this paper and a fake panelling paper which I presume used to go around the entire room before this cupboard was made. So I like this, it's like having a little wallpaper museum inside the cupboard. And I love the view from this room. We're so high up here. Oh yes, and you might wonder why I'm in my colours. And that's because today is the day of the Catwalk show that I've been waiting for a couple of months. So I'm feeling quite a lot of pressure to look presentable. Well, we appear to have one chicken who's decided to join us in the dining room for dinner. Well, Myrtle, I'm delighted that you've decided to get on top of the admin for me. But I think you'd have to get up onto the desk in order to be more effective with it. And I could bring you my laptop. Would that be helpful? Well, it doesn't look as though she wants to go anywhere. She seems pretty settled. Right, I'm escorting you out of the building, Myrtle. Enough is enough. Nope, I'm sorry, but off we go now. Out we go. Thank you. Well, this is an unexpected sight in the kitchen first thing in the morning.
It's summer.
What exactly is happening?
I'm going to cut the grass.
I didn't realise we needed swimwear for that.
And I'm going to get a tan.
Well, I'm impressed.
Thank you.
It feels like being on holiday.
Oh yeah. Okay, thank you.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Oh my god, you're adorable. Let's go and check on Michael. Every time I went in yesterday, he was pretending to paint, but actually watching the cricket and drinking beer. Thinks he can get away with it up there. Oh, he has the best entrance to his flat in the whole house. I love going up a spiral staircase to go in. Is anything happening in there? Oh, look at you hard at work.
Ah, you came just at the right time.
What's going on?
South Africa, England on Cricket World Cup.
Oh, that's what you've snuck off here to do.
Really, really exciting.
Have you actually done any painting?
I've moved some things around. Look, I've got a brush.
See, I knew it, nothing's happened. Well, there's a lot of work still to do, but his kitchen lights are in, the carcasses have arrived, the marble has been ordered for the work surface, the bathroom needs tiling before anything can be fitted. So the bath will be directly in front of us. There will be a balcony here, and the bed will be opposite. And then this big space over here is going to be the dining room, sitting room. I do feel he's got quite a lot of painting and cleaning to do in his turret. You, sir, have a filthy turret.
I know, it's terrible. Have you seen the wildlife that's living in here?
A lot. Are you keeping it as some sort of sanctuary?
Well, there's a centipede that's about this long and it looks lethal. I think also mice.
I do like your cobweb collection.
Thanks. I've kept it especially.
Are you Miss Havisham at heart? I've come into town, still in my colours, and now I'm going to have my makeup done. I'm quite excited. What will the transformation be? It's hard to know what the locals will think of this. I'm not used to walking downtown in quite this heavy makeup, but it's fun and I'm starting to feel glamorous for tonight. I love coming home to the sight of our little chicks following their mother. Marie's still hard at work after all the time that I've been in makeup. Let's see if the same can be said for Michael.
Did you just hear me and start walking up a ladder? You did! You heard me coming and started walking up a ladder.
Don't be ridiculous. Come around here.
What did you paint?
This chair.
This. You painted one tiny strip of wall. You've been gone for hours. And oh, what's this?
Oh look, a little...
Setup with a snack and the cricket. I know you so well. This place is going to be amazing.
The dream team have arrived at the Catwalk show. Michael's here to do photography, Marie's team moral support.
Yes, let's do it.
Oh my god. Lots of hair. Your makeup look amazing.
He does?
Yes. You look good with this lighting.
So you're going to go and settle into your seat now?
I will. Wow, this is his home.
Yes.
It's quite big.
It's amazing, isn't it?
We don't have this big of a living room.
Apparently there's a really famous fashion photographer coming today who usually just works in London and Paris. And so we're all under instructions to give our very best. And I'm supposed to be looking like Brigitte Bardot. This is the designer Reinhard Luthier, whose clothes we'll be wearing tonight. He co-founded the design house Azzaro.
Dana, this is a very nice sight. We haven't actually gone on stage. Do you want to fall over on the stage?
We have to drink it.
Well, if we have to, because of the heat wave.
And we need some fuel since we didn't eat.
Because that's what's worrying me. I've had one handful of peanuts all day.
Oh, I had strawberries from the garden.
That's it? Wow, you've eaten less than me. In this cutthroat world of who eats less backstage.
Look at that, Canal de Chêne. I'm gonna have one and then it's your turn. Oh. Brigitte Bardot, Bardot.
So stylish. Oh, actually, it's pretty good.
Backstage is a hive of activity as everyone is frantically getting dressed and ready in hair and makeup.
Go, Dana. Are you ready? Wow.
Let's go, baby.
Fabulous.
Reinhard puts the finishing touches on every one of the outfits himself.
I've gone for a
Wow. Let me see this. Oh my god. Woo!
Do you think we should dress like this every day?
Every day.
I think so too. 10 minutes to go, we're getting a bit nervous. Also, I might get weighed down by my actual hair. This is it, we're about to go on stage.
Be ready for Stephanie.
The next dress I'm wearing is a red version of the one that Reinhard designed for Liza Minelli in the film Cabaret. That's not what we're doing out there. Reinhard designed my next dress for the French actress and model Arielle Dombasle. Something we slipped into to go and do the shopping.
Dressed like a savage, aren't you?
Dana, you know I'm not a savage.
Dana is preparing for the tribal section of the show, which I'm not in.
Okay.
Calm before the storms. Oh, here comes the storm. Faster, Dana, faster.
This next dress made the cover of Elle magazine back in the 60s.
I'm like an alien.
You are an alien, I've always thought so. Dana.
My final and favourite dress of the night was one worn by Brigitte Bardot.
Magnificent playing. Did you like the dresses?
Yeah, I couldn't see everything, but I was amazed by all the charm.
All the charm.
And after all that excitement, just as I'm about to go to sleep, I hear this.
Nothing, just wandering along with my phone.
All right, Dolly Parton.
I can't describe just what fun the show was last night. It had the most unbelievable atmosphere. Everyone had a good time. We were laughing by the end. I was just nervous before showing the first dress, and after that I really got into it. I think it's fair to say that my hair has not quite recovered yet. I can't use my bathroom whilst I'm in exile, so we're using this tiny bathroom in the tower. It's pretty cool, actually. Just a tiny round room. This is the life. This is the way to relax after a grueling catwalk show. And I'm quite delighted by the fact that the room I'm in is not a million miles dissimilar from the wallpaper on the front of World of Interiors this month.
This beautiful room is from the John Fowler designed London home of the Hines family, and the wallpaper is by the French company Moni. My bathroom wallpaper is by Lewis & Wood, the British company who also made the Toile de Jouy paper that I put in the attic bedroom.
Oh, you might have noticed a little plaster. I cut my finger on a bread knife and then I could only find a plaster with an elephant on it. No idea who bought it or where it comes from. Baffling.
It's a perfect evening for the Lions Club cocktail party on the terrace.
I'm testing the sausages. It's very important to test them. Do we think this will be a good one?
Can you give us a critical appraisal of the sausages?
It's borderline. I'm going to have to try another. What do you think?
I'm getting forest on the nose. Pine nuts.
I mean, it's hard to get a Frankfurter just right.
Now the guests have left for their restaurant and Stephanie and Michael are checking the leftovers. Is there more champagne?
The Lions Club have all gone out to dinner. They've just left. We had aperitif with them. And really touchingly, they gave me just the most amazing present. They found this 1934 edition of A Christmas Carol by Dickens, but printed in France. And what they didn't realise when they gave it to me, in the back was a dictation done in January 37 by some poor French child who just couldn't get their English H's in the right place. This has still been in the back of this book for nearly 100 years. Are you wiping off the ceiling?
I'm getting some champagne off the ceiling.
It's a very Lalande problem.
Yeah.
And why was the champagne there in the first place?
Well, Michael was a little vigorous in the opening celebration.
Michael? That's what happened, is it?
Another day, another kitchen dance party. It's been a good week.